It may look like some things are motionless: a rock on the ground, a crystal in space, a particle at absolute zero. But according to physics, perfect stillness does not exist, not anywhere in the universe. At the smallest scales, motion is built into reality itself. Inside every atom, electrons never stop moving. Even if you cool a system to absolute zero, 0 Kelvin, the lowest temperature possible, particles still retain energy. This is called zero-point energy. It is the minimum energy required by quantum mechanics, and it cannot be removed. Why? Because of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This principle sets a hard limit. The more precisely a particle's position is defined, the less precisely its motion can be known, and vice versa. If a particle were perfectly still, its momentum would be exactly zero. That would force its position to become infinitely uncertain. Physics forbids that state. So particles must always fluctuate. Motion is not optional, and this does not stop at a particle. Even empty space is not empty. What we call a vacuum is filled with quantum fields that constantly fluctuate. Virtual particles briefly appear and vanish. Energy ripples through space at the smallest possible scales. These fluctuations are not theoretical curiosities. They produce measurable effects, like the Casimir effect, where empty space can literally push objects together. Zoom out further. Atoms vibrate. Solids are lattices of oscillating particles. Stars ring like bells. Galaxies drift and rotate. And space-time itself is dynamic, expanding, stretching, and carrying gravitational waves. There is also no universal rest frame. According to Einstein's relativity, motion only exists relative to something else. There is no absolute background where everything stops moving. Stillness is not a fundamental property of the universe. It is an approximation that only exists at large scales. At the deepest level, the universe is never quiet, never frozen, never still. Motion is not something happening inside reality. Motion is reality.